almost forgot to do this, is a final walkthrough video of our little house here. Just did a bunch of remodeling, got a bunch of plants. You can't see these because it's dark. So we'll walk around. You can kind of look inside there. Looks really neat. Got the windows all refurbished. The old glazed pane, single pane windows. You're looking into the laundry room, which we put a little two-top table. And we'll walk in through the back door here, get a little back view. Got our cafe lights on the stairs and in front of the doorway there. Looks really inviting and nice. So let's take a tour. We're going to walk into the back door here. Got the floors all polished. Got the washing machine and the dryer closer to the wall so you actually have room to walk. And there's our two-top table in our little sunroom where you can read your book or check your messages while you're waiting for your laundry. So that's all cleaned up, as well as the entrance to downstairs. It's all swept and dusted, and the bikes are hung, everything's organized. Now let's get to the meat and potatoes of this whole program. This is the kitchen. We gutted this kitchen. Four months ago, we started Thanksgiving, and this is now the middle of March. So tile floors were already there, but we gutted the walls and put in all the new can lights, the new ceiling fan, all the trim above the windows there called lintels, new wall hangings, new granite counters, repainted the cabinets from periwinkle purple to a nice slate gray, and then put a nice kitchen island here with a couple of jump seats or bar stools. Crown moldings all around. That cabinet above the stove is brand new. Hid the pipes that were in that chimney chase. Repainted everything, all new sheetrock, all new lights. It was a lot of work. And like I said, it's been 4 months. So we'll take a little tour. New sink, new faucet, new tile, backsplash, new lighting. There's different tile up in the lights there, if you can see that. Painted the inside of the cabinets as well as the outside. That came out really, really nice. And this little tiny hallway here, a lot of work went into all the trim details, the new transom glass above the bathroom. All the crown moldings, a new light that was never there. The thermostat used to be on the wall right there and had exposed wires. Moved it around the corner here. So it's now in the living room. All fresh paint in the living room. New lighting, new smoke detectors. Polished the real oak floors. Sanded the doors down. New, what do you call that? I just said it. Crown molding in this room as well. Two-tone paint job. Closet and the built-in dresser have all been refurbished, cleaned up, painted. Everything looks really, really good. It's amazing. We have new tenants moving in next weekend. Had hundreds of inquiries. Repainted the doors there on the closets. Let's go into the bathroom. Put a couple new circuits in the bathroom for more outlets that are GFCI protected and more lights. Bathroom's kind of small. Got a new, oop, you're gonna be able to see me there. We got a new vanity light and everything is clean and shiny. And then clean the tile. The tile was really bad. Still not perfect, but it's way better than it was. Clean the tile surround around the bathroom window there where somebody's shampoo leaked. And it's going to be a really nice little place. Fix the faucets that were leaking. This drain was really clogged. Lots of stuff. Oh, refurbished these cabinets up here above the hallway for toiletries. And then the master bedroom, same thing. Brand new ceiling with new lights, new can lights, new ceiling fan. Crown molding. This is a large room. It's 14 by 12, something like that. Polished the hardwood floors. Looks really, really good. New window coverings. It's a lot of work. Every free moment I've had for the last 4 months has gone into this place. So we'll look back at the kitchen because that's kind of the main thing. I wanted to do a gas stove, but we ran out of time. Did do a microwave. There was never any microwave there or any venting of any type. Turn the light on so you can see the backsplash. The backsplash there matches the backsplash here. Put in 7 new circuits, I think, for a disposal and for making everything to code. Really nice. We got sconce lights there on a separate circuit. It's really, really great. I'm looking back, enjoying my work, and I hope that people that live here enjoy it as well. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. I hope you enjoyed everything we did.